Good morning, friends. Yesterday I went to the thrift store and I got a bunch of new orange items because yesterday I made this dress, which has like, it's crushed velvet, I guess, with these spooky cats. But I was like, I really need something orange to go underneath it. So we got a couple items to try out to see what will like work with it because it's cold outside. And obviously I could wear like a cardigan, but we're gonna try this out. Also, first top, I don't know if she's like slaying or if she's a little like, ugh. It's super stretchy, but it's kind of tight because it's, you know, thrifted. So you get the sizes that you get, but I'm kind of digging it. So here's our like velvet dress with the cat faces, which I think is so cute. And I feel like I need a cat headband because I do still have like my spider headband, which, you know, is also a vibe. And then as always, we have our really cute little sparkly pumpkin bag. So I think this may be the outfit. I don't know. So yeah, here's our vibe. But yeah, the tutorial on how to make this dress will be coming out soon on YouTube or whenever I put it up because I'm slow. But here it is. I love the cats. Here's our other look, which is just a simple like turtleneck situation, which is also still kind of choking me a little bit. But I think it's a little bit better. This was more the look that I was going for, but I was at the mercy of whatever was at the thrift store, which is all tiny things. And also I got these little spiders. They're actually like sequiny. Not sequiny, they're rhinestoney. So we're gonna put these in my hair and see what happens. Still have my hair already up because I feel like these are probably just easier to, well, I don't know. Let's see. There we go. Ooh, she's feeling spooky. At least my hair will like not go anywhere today because sometimes this bun gets a little out of hand. I feel like with spiders, this will be held in place better. Okay. Yeah, we're liking that. That's the vibe. Here's the outfit. I hope you guys have a great day. Love you guys. Bye.